Hello there. Today I have been back down at the Bramley-moore dock site to see what's been happening and give a little update on the Everton new stadium build. If you didn't catch my community post the other day, just took a bit of time out, had a bereavement in the family, so just took a bit of time out. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, like and share with your family and friends. You can also follow us on Instagram. It's at thestadium00. Okay, now we've got that out the way, let's get straight into this video. So we're going to start on the east side of the stadium. We can call it a stadium now because the roof is all complete. Excuse me. I'm sure you've been keeping up with other channels, so I'm sure you know there's quite a fair few seats being installed. Excuse me, which we're going to take a look at in a moment. Well, we're going to try to. So there's work going on the front. It is looking a lot more like, a stadium entrance now. You can really start to get the feel for where things are going to be and how things are going to look. That north side of the roof is looking fantastic now, isn't it? Which is always good. They have started putting the panels on the east side of the roof now as well. You can just see the top of your screen. You'd think I know north, south, east and west by now, but it's all, you always question yourself. People working away on the side of the roof, I guess that's going to be cold. So we're just going to move around towards the north side of the stand. So the seats have been fitted where we are at the moment, so we won't see them until we get round to the other side. I've put some edits in this video. Been watching and learning just how to get better pictures out of the videos. So I don't know whether it's made a big difference or not. So all these glass panels are being fitted. Looks like they're just fitting the last few on the end here, which you will see in a moment. Just to the right there where that blue cherry picker is. It looks like they're just fitting the last few on to the north side of the stands. See them just there, which is always good. There was quite a lot of people on the roof today. It wasn't overly windy, but it was a bit choppy. And you can see the safety barriers on the side of the roof there. Which is good to see. There's more panels being fitted there by the looks of it. By that orange cherry picker. So obviously there's work going down on the bottom of this stand as well. So as I've always said, I'm not sure. I'm not any sort of expert by any means, But does anyone know what these are? Them black steel, are they just supports? Are they? These black steel beams are hanging out. Not sure if they're just support or anything like that. Maybe they are. So we're just going to take a look at the Mersey side of the stadium. As you can see, the west side of the roof is starting to get covered quite comprehensively now. And we'll take a little look at that when we get round to the other side. So that is how it's looking on this side of the stadium. I did say I was going to try and do one half in one video and then one half in the other, but there has been a lot more seats visited, so we are going to take a look at them. Right, okay. So I'm not very high because I started getting like wind warnings and stuff. And then we didn't want to get too close just because there are actually people on the edge of the roof, as you'll see now in the orange jackets. They are quite close to the edge. You can see the seats just to the right through that gap there. I will get a decent look at them next time I'm down, which will hopefully be Saturday or Sunday. But yeah, just didn't feel comfortable getting too close with them workers right on the roof there. So I just thought I would save it for another day. It's not going to change too much over the next couple of days, is it? Yeah, so the Bramley-moore Stadium roof is in place, which I'm sure you already know. Some of this stuff that we're seeing is new to me. Obviously, I haven't, with me nan's eye, I haven't actually been down or been paying attention to much videos, if I'm honest. But yeah, I will be back later on in the week and we'll get a good look at this. I might actually come down Sunday because no one's on site Sunday. I can get up and above and have a proper look. Go on, have a great rest of the week. We will see you very soon. Take care.